How to monetize your Twitch channel fast. So there are different steps and requirements which you'll need to fulfill in order to grow fast. The first one is by becoming a Twitch affiliate. The affiliate programs requires you to have 50 followers, 500 total minutes streamed, 7 unique broadcast days, and average 3 viewers. The requirements are very easy, so you can actually stream continuously to fulfill these. There's also Twitch affiliate monetization options. If you hit affiliate, then you can unlock subscriptions, bits, and ads. You can also use donations even before affiliate. Use platforms like Stream Elements, Streamlabs, and Ko-Fi to set up a donation link and add it to your stream panels. You can also create and sell merchandise. For this, you will need to use external websites or platforms like Teesprings, Streamlabs Merch, and many more. Make sure that your content or stream is very engaging so that viewers will stay. Not only this, but try to interact with your viewers to gain more followers. That's all for today. Thank you.